hear the word corruption all the time, but do we really understand how deep it runs? Money fuels progress, or at least that's what they say. But what happens when greed starts leading the way? Corruption doesn't always shout. It hides behind influence, behind favor, behind fake smiles and connection.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to Real Talks, where we face the truth and open our eyes for awareness.
Today, we're tackling an issue that everyone knows exists but often gets swept under the rug: corruption. Why it continues to be a devastating crisis in most countries throughout the world, and why it affects every one of us.
Before we go deeper, let's discuss first what exactly is corruption.
Well, it simply means the abuse of power for personal gain. Alam mo, it happens when leaders, officials, or even ordinary people who use their authority, position, or influence not to serve others but to serve themselves.
Yes, tama. One common form of corruption is bribery. It means para bang nagbibigay ka ng pera or gift sa mas may nakakataas na posisyon. Sabihin na nating hindi na parang, kundi talagang nagbibigay ka na talaga ng money or gifts para makakuha ng favor sa mga mas may nakakataas na posisyon.
Hmm. Another common type is embezzlement. This is the form na parang kapag bibigyan kita ng pera, yung pera na binigay ko sa'yo, gagamitin mo sa iba.
That leads us to an important question. Why does corruption happen in the first place?
Do you know, one major cause of corruption is greed? When people want more than what's right or fair, more money, more power, more control, they start crossing the lines to get it.
Then there's weak governance and lack of accountability. When leaders don't enforce laws, when people in power won't face the consequences kasi yung mga leader ay hindi na natatakot kasi walang parusang nangyayari sa kanila.
Also, we can't forget lack of transparency. Kung saan yung mga tao hindi nila alam kung saan nanggagaling yung mga funds nila, kaya yung mga decisions nila hindi na din nila alam. Kaya yung mga tao nawawalan ng trust. Kaya kung walang nanonood, yung corruption, it works in silence. Kaya corruption kasi, it goes beyond stealing funds. It's about lost trust, stolen opportunities, and as a result, a lot of people lose hope for a better future. Well, tackling about the Philippine state right now, aside from earthquakes and storms, there had been a rally called the Trillion Peso March last September 21 as a demand of justice for the flood control issue. Well, this became a viral issue that spread all over social media. As many protesters said, none of the infrastructures implemented were built.
People are beginning to open their eyes and act. People all over the country, yes, last September, there was a rally about the flood control infrastructure. Yeah, that's true. And now people are demanding clear information about the transaction that the government is doing. Yeah, like yung parang sa Pasig, yung mga transaction ng gobyerno, nakikita na ng mga tao.
Exactly. So now we can see corruption isn't isolated. It's a global problem. Nakikita natin kung paano nakakaapekto politics, society, and the economy.
According to the World Economic Forum, the world loses over $3.6 trillion to corruption every year. That money is stolen from schools, hospital, and disaster protection. Kaya hindi ka na rin magtataka dito sa Pilipinas kada may bagyo. Nasasalanta tayo. Kasi yung mga corruption, yung mga fund na dapat sa pang disaster protection, hindi nagamit sa tama.
Hearing all of this, yung corruption parang hindi na lang siya political issue ngayon eh. It is stealing the future and the hope of many people. Hindi na lang siya nakakaapekto sa ating lipunan, kundi pati na rin sa buhay ng mga pamilya, sa pag-aaral ng mga bata, sa mga buhay na nawala dahil dito, pati na rin sa environment natin.
Kung ginamit lang sana ng government yung intended purpose ng ating mga pondo, we wouldn't experience so much suffering.
Yes.
Hindi na natin problemahin yung mga hospital bills because we'd have access to free healthcare. Also, we wouldn't live in constant fear of natural disasters kasi alam nating meron ng necessary supplies and infrastructure that would be readily available to protect us. Tama nga sila, no? We are not just drowning in floods, we are drowning in corruption.
The thing is that corruption isn't just about politicians or big companies na eh. Kasi nangyayari na ngayon in our schools, in our hospital, and in our communities. Corruption is not just about stealing money. Pag nanakaw din to ng trust, ng hope, at saka ng fairness. Lalo na kung yung mga leaders ginagamit yung position nila para lang sa kanilang sariling kagustuhan. At yung mga citizens na kanilang pinangakuan, hindi naman nila talaga napagsisilbihan eh.
Which is why awareness matters. Kasi the more we understand how corruption affects us, the more we realize it's important to act.
Okay, so now that we talked about corruption and how it affects countries and society, but paano tayo, mga estudyante? How can we make a difference?
Well, as students, we can make a difference by being aware and informed.
Exactly. Understanding what corruption is, recognizing unfair practices, and we must not normalize it.
As students, we have a voice to demand change. At pwede rin naman natin gamitin mga social media platforms like Facebook, IG, and other social media platforms para ma-share ng information and to encourage them to take action.
Also, by educating others, we can share that knowledge with friends, with classmates, or even younger students.
Being informed and sharing what we know are steps on how we start making a real difference even as students. Thank you for joining us on Real Talks.